Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Subject Data Structure. Myself, Janish Shah. I am Assistant Professor at LJ Engineering of Institute and Technology. In our previous lectures, we studied about that how can we convert our infix expression into postfix using tabular method, as well as we have seen about the algorithms of infix expression into postfix expression for with parenthesized expression. So now in our today's lecture we will look after the infix to prefix with parenthesized expression using stack or tabular method. Somehow if you ask for the question that convert our infix expression into Polish notation of without parenthesized expression, then please do not worry, just follow the rules after the slides. Okay, so let's start with infix to prefix using tabular method and its algorithm for with parenthesized expression. Today's outlines. First, we understand the difference of precedence table for with parenthesized a method for infix to prefix expression. Then we will see about the tabulation method or using stack method. And then the last topic is algorithm for infix to prefix conversion. See, students, have you remember the precedence table for with parenthesized expression for infix to postfix? If yes, then how many columns are there? Total 4 columns are there, right? Number 1 is symbols. Number 2 is precedence inside, no, outside the stack. Number 3 is precedence inside the stack, and number 4th one is a rank. So here we have 4 columns, same as previous: symbols, precedence outside the stack, precedence inside the stack, and last one is a rank. Students, here this table has little bit change. Okay, so please focus on that. I'm just comparing both the tables of postfix and prefix conversion. In postfix conversion, what we did, what we just entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 0 dash. Fine. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 0 dash. Fine. But here in infix to prefix conversion, the total table is little bit changed. See, now we start one from here. Symbols are same as it is previous, like plus or minus, division star, dollar arrow, caret, A, B, C, D, opening bracket and closing bracket. Okay, fine. Now the visitor table is goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7, 8. Now no 9 is becomes over here 9, 0, 0 dash. Okay. So you just need to write the precedence table properly for infix to prefix. It's totally reverse of infix to postfix expression. Okay, so please be careful after writing this. Okay, now rank is obviously similar. For operator it's -1 and for operand it's +1. Okay, so let's begin with example or the basic rules of infix to prefix. So if you have seen, what is the difference between them? That here ABCD always has the higher precedence, plus minus dollar arrow caret, as when you go from plus minus to ABCD, always precedence is higher. The next one is that plus minus dollar arrow caret precedence are different inside and outside the stack. Now for conversion from infix to prefix, we need to remember some points for tabulation method. So please take a notebook and pen and note it down. See, if you remember the postfix, then this is totally reverse of postfix. Okay, so in exam you don't need to remember both of them. You just need to remember how can we convert our infix expression into postfix conversion. Okay, so let's begin with infix to prefix using tabulation method rules. Okay, now tell me, number one is that we just need to convert precedence table, sorry, in our infix expression into prefix. So our first focus should be on the precedence table. Next, first you need to reverse the infix string. You need to first reverse the infix string. Now, tell me, in our infix to postfix, what we append at the end of the string? Closing bracket, right? What we append at the end of the string? Closing bracket. Same like that, here we need to append opening bracket. Got it? So it is totally reverse of infix to postfix. As we are inserting closing bracket in our infix to postfix conversion, infix string, okay, so that here for infix to prefix, after infix string, after reversing it, we need to add opening bracket. Okay. So to apply, then apply the postfix algorithm according to the precedence table, then get the answer and reverse the answer. 4 steps are there. First, reverse the infix string, then append the opening bracket, then apply postfix algorithm, then get the answer. Last one is reverse the answer. So now here, another points to remember. See, in postfix, if you get plus minus division star comes together, what you did, you just pop out the element from the stack. You just pop out the element from the stack. If plus and minus are there, if plus is in next character, okay, and is minus in stack, then what happens? Plus has the higher precedence. Plus has the higher precedence or lower precedence? Plus has the lowest precedence, right? After getting into the inside the stack, minus has the higher precedence. So what you did, you just pop out the minus and push the stack. But wait, here in infix to prefix, you need to do totally reverse thing. If you found plus minus division star comes together, then push into inside the stack. Now in infix to postfix, what happen if you get two exponential operators coming together? You are just pushing them. So here totally reverse thing will be happen. So here you need to pop out the elements from the stack. Now if you found ABCD, then push it. Now tell me, if in infix to postfix you get opening bracket, then what you did, you just pushing it out. So totally reverse thing will be happening over here. If you get closing bracket, then push. If you get opening bracket, then remove all the elements from the stack until and unless you get first closing bracket. Got it? Got it? You just need to compare both the points to remember of our first video for infix to postfix with parenthesized example and this video. Okay, you just need to compare both of them. You will get the better idea. Okay, so now let's begin. Okay, what is the condition? Condition is the same as previous. Here the condition is if f of next is less than g of s of top, then do pop if if f of x shows precedence of element x, g of x shows the precedence of s of top, next shows the next element for the conversion, s of top shows the top element for the stack. And the step basic rules are: number one, start with opening bracket or closing bracket. Start with closing bracket, right? What you need to do, start with closing bracket. Okay, so here start with the closing bracket. The next step is ends with closing or opening, ends with the opening bracket. After reversing the string, you need to append opening bracket to the infix expression. Fine. Now the next is, if the top element of the stack is greater than next variable, then do pop operation. Okay. The next is else push. The last step is, if both opening and closing bracket coming together, then do the pop operation or pop each and every element till you get the first closing bracket. Now, moving forward, how to convert infix to prefix example. So number one is, here we have the infix string a plus b snow. It's a plus opening bracket, b minus c closing bracket, division d. So here start with closing in stack. and reverse the string first. Reverse the string. Okay, I'm just reversing the string. See, D, then this division, then this closing, then this C minus B opening plus A. Got it? I'm just reversing the string. Then append opening bracket. I'm just appending the opening bracket over here. Okay, and then start with my table. How many columns are there? Total 4 columns are there. Okay, total 4 columns are there. Okay, so number 1 is character scan, number 2 is reverse polish. Okay, and then rank and stack. So let's begin. First, closing bracket. Insert the closing bracket inside the stack. Okay, now begin with A. Okay, no, it's D because we have just reversing the string. Now after reversing the string, you just need to apply the same rule as per the postfix algorithm. Okay, now compare both of them. Compare both of them. What happened? See the basic rules. If you have found this any variables, then you just need to push it out. Push it, then keep the reverse polish and rank as it is. Then the division. Okay, obviously variables has higher precedence than division. Okay, so the variables need to be popped out and push division. So the closing division, D inside the reverse polish, rank of D is 1, calculated as 1. Next is again closing bracket, again closing bracket. What you need to do? Push the close bracket. Okay, as students, this is a infix to prefix notation. We are pushing closing brackets inside the stack. But if it is a infix to postfix, then we are pushing opening bracket inside the stack. Fine. Okay, let's go ahead. Closing. Then the next character is C. Keep the D and 1 as it is. Now C. So push the C. D and 1 as D and 1 as it is. This is wrong. This should not be 2. Okay. Now next is minus. Okay. C will be popped out. C will be popped out. Okay. And go inserted with the D. Okay, fine. C will be popped out and go inserted with the D. So here C will be popped out. Okay. And the minus will be pushing inside the stack. So D and C rank will become 2. Next variable is B. Whenever you found the variable, just push it. So B inside the stack, D and C as it is, rank is 2. Next is opening bracket. C. Next is opening bracket. What you need to do, if you found any opening bracket, then pop out each and every element until and unless you will get first closing bracket. I'm repeating the sentence. If you get opening bracket in the infix to prefix example, then popped out each and every element from the stack until and unless you will get first closing bracket. See, B will be popped out, minus is popped out. Then I found the first opening bracket, right? Find the first opening bracket. This first opening bracket and this closing bracket both get cancelled out. Fine. This opening bracket, this closing bracket both get cancelled out. So here the answer is closing and division. B, C, B minus and rank is 2. Now put the plus. Okay. Division has higher precedence than plus. So pop division, push plus. Okay. The next is A, push A. And the last one is again opening bracket. This is the extra opening bracket which we have added. Okay, or appended to the infix string. Fine. Same as infix to postfix, in which we have added closing bracket. Here we have adding opening bracket. So just popping out each and every element, popping out A and plus, and get the answer. See, here the reverse answer is B, C, B minus division A plus. So here this is the answer, dummy answer. And we need to just reversing it. The final answer is plus A division minus B, C, D plus A division minus B, C. Got it? Fine. Now moving forward to the next again example. See, here is the example. A star B division, A star opening, B division opening, C minus D plus E closing dollar F caret G. So here starts with closing in the stack. Before that, I'm just reversing my string. It becomes G caret F dollar closing. E plus B minus C opening division B opening star A. Please do the reversing very much carefully. Append opening over there. I'm just appending it, making this table and inserting the my first closing bracket. Starts with A. Sorry, G. Starts with G. G is over here. Okay, start with G. Push it, push G. Okay. Before pushing it, I'm just writing each and every character in my table. G, caret, F, dollar, closing, E plus D minus. Okay. As per the screen limitations, I'm just writing this much of characters. We will see other characters later inside the screen. Okay. Now the next is compare G with division. Sorry, G with closing. Push G. Remain reverse polish rank as it is. Now this is a caret. So G has the higher precedence. G will be popped out. Caret will be pushed. G will be popped out. Caret is pushed inside the stack. G rank of G is 1. Now again F. F is a variable. F is a variable. What you need to do for the variables? Push the variable. So okay, the closing caret F. Next G and rank as it is. Next dollar C. This is the example, okay, which I need to show you. Dollar. F has a higher precedence than dollar. Then you need to pop out F. Now what happened with dollar and caret? Okay, see the precedence table. You will find out that dollar has this inside the stack has higher precedence than dollar outside the stack. We need to pop out caret also. So the answer is closing dollar GF caret. Total is 1. Again closing, push it. Again closing, push it. This is the closing bracket. So we need to just push inside the stack. Again closing bracket, push inside the stack. The remaining things are as it is. Now E. For E, push E. Plus, okay. Popped out E, push plus. Next D, push D. Next minus. D will be popped out. Now plus and minus are there. Check the precedence table for infix to prefix expression. Check the precedence table for infix to prefix expression. You will get the idea that plus and minus, in plus and minus, the outside of the minus has higher precedence than inside of stack plus. So you need to push minus, don't need to pop plus. So answer is closing plus minus. They will be popped out. GF caret ED and last one will be 3. Okay. Again, this is my string. Okay. So minus C opening close division B is star A and opening bracket. See, this is my string. This is my last string which I have. Okay, now so compare C. Compare C. Just push the C. Push the C. Next opening. See, opening bracket is coming over here. Opening bracket is coming here. You just need to pop out each and every element from the stack, and until and unless you will get the first closing bracket, this closing, this opening both will get cancelled out. Again, I'm repeating the sentence. This opening and this closing both will get cancelled out. Okay, and this C minus plus will be popping out from the stack and appending to the reverse polish. So the answer is this. Okay, C minus and plus. Okay. Now division, push the division. Okay, now B, push the B. Okay, next opening, again opening is coming out, so pop the every element B and division, and then this will be element will be cancelled out. So this is the answer. Next star dollar has a higher precedence than star, dollar will be popped out, and this is the answer. Again A, push A. Okay, and finally is opening bracket, both opening and closing will be cancelled out, and this is your final answer. Now get the answer. The answer is GF caret EDC minus B division dollar A plus. You need to just reverse it. After reversing the answer, you will get the right answer, that star A dollar division B plus minus C D E caret F G. Okay. So what we are doing over here, we just first need to convert our infix expression into the reverse. Okay, we're just reversing our infix string, then append the opening bracket, then apply the infix to postfix algorithm over there, get the answer, again reversing the answer, and this is the answer. But here the precedence table is totally different than infix to postfix. Okay, so infix to prefix algorithm, I'm not going to write whole algorithm, the basic steps. Number one, reverse the infix string. Number two, append the opening bracket at the end. Number three, convert the string into postfix expression using postfix algorithm. So here in the third step, you need to write whole postfix algorithm, but at that time you need to mention, please consider precedence table of infix to prefix only. Okay, so the next one is get the answer, reverse the answer, and the answer is the prefix expression. Okay, students. So isn't it easy to convert our infix expression into postfix expression using tabular method? But make sure you will get the idea of all the basic rules of infix to postfix and infix to prefix. Please don't need to try to mug up all the basic rules and all the points to remember for infix to prefix and postfix both. Just remember only one, and I always suggest remember infix to postfix algorithm. Okay, prefix will be running out from that only. So till that, if you have any query, feel free to ask me. Please keep learning. Thank you so much.